Nathan here, and today I'm gonna show you our new car, this Lamborghini. Yeah, we went to one hotel and brought our new car, Lamborghini. You don't know it. Yeah, look at the side. Look at everything. Look at the wheels. Go around. Look at this. Our new car is the Lamborghini. The Lamborghini is a new car. See, this is our new car now. Yeah. Look at our new car.